From Parts Ready Online, and today we'll be reviewing a Bissell vacuum cleaner, and the model number is 1240, and the item number is 463. So it is really easy to hook up. You just have to simply, and you can just simply do that, so you can take it all out at once. Now this is durable, lasting for years, and it's kid friendly. You have to put it upside down. Plug up. There we go. Easy to plug up. It has all the extensions, and you can buy all the parts for it that you need for your Bissell vacuum cleaner, and it will be in. You can check out our website, Parts Ready Online. It will be down the link in the description below. Hopefully, I hope you enjoy this demonstration of the Bissell vacuum. Comes with all the attachments for it. And as again, you can go see the parts. The link will be down in the description below for our website. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration, and peace out.